Kara Rose, and yes, I changed my name to Kara Rose. I did have it at It's Your Girl Kara, but now I changed it to Kara Rose because I just like that better. And your girl love her some roses, so why not? But anyways, y'all, I am coming back to YouTube. This is gonna be my first video for 2022. I'm doing a morning routine with the babies. And I already took my shower because I always have to get ready first before this one wake up. You know what I'm saying? Because when she wake up, I can't do nothing. Major, he's good. Like, he's fine. He get his own food and all that, so he's good. But this one, I can't do nothing with. So I already had my shower and stuff, but now I'm about to give her a bath, and I'm gonna give Major a bath today. And yeah, but y'all, I'm coming back. I'm coming back, okay? Your girl is coming back. I deleted all my videos from 2 years ago because I just wanted to start over fresh, you know. Like, I just wanted to restart. So I'm gonna be giving y'all mukbangs, routines, clean with me videos, you know, family vlogs, all that good stuff. Ooh, that was a good burp. All that good stuff. So y'all just stay tuned and let's get straight into this video. Hey, mama. Hey, girlfriend. Alright, y'all, so we about to go ahead and start washing her up. I always use this Shea Moisture wash and shampoo. Love it, love it, love it. And I wash her with this. So first, I'm going to go ahead and wash her hair. Ooh. Hi, mama. Hey. Uh-uh. 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 Did you cruise? What you doing, mama? What doing, mama? Hi. What you doing? What you doing? Alright, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure y'all turn on those post notifications so every time I post y'all get notified. And I know y'all didn't see Major that much in this video, but it's because after I got him out the bath, he wanted to go with his dad somewhere, so I got him dressed real quick and they left out. So I'm just here with Amina, and she's tired. She about to go to sleep, take a little nap, and yeah, and I'm about to go eat something. But I hope you guys like this video, so make sure y'all subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.